I'm near na. Yes, I'm outside the gate na.
Let's go to the Cuenca Bazaar!
Seriously? Seryoso ka ba?
I on the aircon!
I can't go. I'm nakapambahay.
The fuck?
The fuck?
What the fuck?
What the hell?
Ang tamad.
Wag na, kakatamad.
Oh my God!
OMG, where's the driver? I'm late for carpool already.
I hate her. She's so maarte.
Oh my gosh, really?
Yeah!
Huh? What? What?
No water na naman. I'll just take a bath in ACC.
Shit, there's no Wi-Fi. I think I'll go to ACC. Yeah?
Yeah!
Yeah!
Yeah.
Oh my god!
Duh! Tang ina!
Tang ina.
Thank ina!
Yeah?
Yeah!
Another debut in Bellevue?
I have to buy stuff in Dasho.
Why can't they build a Forever 21 here? It's so far!
Yeah! Like, yeah.
Where?
Yeah! I'm so tired of the malls here. Can't they build another one?
BB!
Manong!
Fernando!
Shit, I look bagong gising.
Let's get Serenity.
Mom, where's my baon?
Another Shabu house? But I live so near there.
So annoying!